Did you know it's been 100 years since J. Edgar Hoover became the first director of the FBI? He took the helm in 1924 at just 29 years old and led the FBI for an incredible 48 years. Under his leadership, the FBI modernized investigations. Hoover also introduced the Most Wanted list, a tool still in use today to capture criminals, introducing fingerprint databases and advanced crime labs. While Hoover's tenure was groundbreaking, it was also controversial, sparking debates about power and privacy. His legacy continues to shape the FBI 100 years later. What do you think of his impact?